Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add bottom right left transition effect on CapCut PC. So it's super simple. After you add a lot of photos, just going to transition and you can select camera transition and you can find the bottom right and bottom left transition. Just select bottom right for first one, put between the clip, and for the second one select bottom left, third one bottom right, and so on. Yes, like so. And you can see the result by click the play button. So you can add the effect, and I'm going to select um camera shake. Select this one and just for the duration. Here we go. Okay, that's to bottom right left transition effect tutorial on CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.